Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Civilka Adda 1M. If you have not subscribed to my channel Civilka Adda 1M, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. So in this video, I would like to explain the various components of a building. So what all the various components of building we have, and we are going to discuss the important structural members of a building, because it is very important to know the various components of a building before going into deep analysis or the design of a structure. We need to know the common component parts of a building and the importance of that building and what the purpose of that structural member. So we'll see the various important components of a building. So before that, the common building components are two: the superstructure and substructure. So basic building components are superstructure and the substructure. So what is meant by superstructure and what is meant by substructure? So we'll see that. So if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel Civilka Adda 1M and watch the video till the end so that you'll be understanding with the various components of a building. So superstructure is the structure which is above the ground level. So if this is the ground level, the structure which is above the ground level is known as the superstructure, and the structure which is below the ground level is known as the substructure. So which means from the floor, ground floor, second floor, third floor, first floor till the roof, it is superstructure, and the structure below the ground level like foundation is the substructure. So we'll see the important structural members of the building: the foundation, beam, slab, column and staircase. So all these are the important structural components. So we'll see that. Foundation. So foundation is the lowest part of the structure below the ground level. It takes loads from the superstructure and transfer the loads to the subsoil beneath it. So the loads complete from the superstructure, from columns, beams, slabs, the loads all will be taken by the foundation and it will transfer that loads to the soil which is beneath it. So what is meant by plinth? So the next component. So plinth is defined as the portion of the building between the surface of the surrounding ground and floor level of building. So the between the surface of the surrounding ground and the floor level of the building, that area is known as the plinth. So the beam which is constructed at this level is known as the plinth beam. So moving to the next component, column. So column is a vertical structural member. So intended to transfer a compressive load. For example, a column might transfer loads from a ceiling, beams to the foundation. So it takes loads from the beams and slabs and it will transfer that loads to the foundation. So the column is a compression member. So moving to the next component, beam. So the beams can be defined as a structural members that carries all vertical loads and resist bending. So beam is a horizontal tension member which takes loads and transfers to the supports. So see here. So the loads coming from the slabs, all that will be taken by the beams and it will transfers to the columns. So moving to the next component, slab. So slab is a structural element whose thickness is small compared to its own length and width. So slabs are usually used in floor and floor coverings or roof coverings. So to cover the complete four-walled room, we want slab. So slab acts like a roof covering. So this is the structural element whose thickness is small compared to its own length and width. So again we have different types of slab, again we have different types of columns, but these are the basic terminologies, basic components of a building. So staircase. So stairs are a series of steps properly arranged to connect different floors of a building. So we want access from one floor to the another floor. So these staircases act as a access to move from the ground floor to the first floor or first floor to the second floor. So it is like a access. So stairs are a series of steps properly arranged to connect different floors of a building. So thank you for watching the video till the end. So these are the various important component of a structure. So if you like the video, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Civilka Adda 1M, and don't forget to share to your friends. Thank you all.